I added cabbage to the boiling water and the result was amazing. I have about half a cabbage. I keep adding to the hot water. Now just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I've already let it cook for 3 minutes. I'll turn off the heat and now I'll drain it. The water, and I will also add cold water to create that thermal shock, right? To stop the cooking. For now, I'll keep it reserved. Now for this part, I'll start by adding olive oil. You can add a good amount of olive oil, alright? I know that olive oil is expensive, right? But you can be generous with the olive oil, okay guys? I'm going to add a chopped onion, a grated medium-sized carrot, a small green bell pepper cut into pieces, and now I'm going to mix until it starts to wither. While I'm mixing here, let's interact a little. Okay folks, leave in the comments the city you are watching this video from, and I'm already going there to like your comment. As you can see, it's already softened a bit, right? I'm going to add the cabbage. And I will mix again now and add a very generous spoonful of salt. A teaspoon, okay? A little bit of black pepper. Just mix it again. I've already mixed it very well here. It's all cooked. Now let's transfer it here to this baking dish. I'm going to add a chopped tomato, parsley to taste, 200 grams of creamy cheese spread. Wow, it's going to be great. I can't wait for this to be ready so I can try it. Then I'll remove the excess here and now just mix. I've mixed it really well here and now just put it in the fridge until it's nice and cold. Our salad is chilled and look at that, it's wonderful. So delicious.